Now take out your maths book and open page number 18. Okay, so our next topic is up and down. Up and down. So kids, up means, do you know the meaning of up? Yes, up in the sky. Up means ऊपर. Up means ऊपर in the sky. Up in the sky. Okay. And do you know the meaning of down? Down means coming down. Means नीचे की ओर. Means नीचे की ओर. So up means ऊपर की ओर. Like kite is flying in the sky. Okay, पतंग कहाँ उड़ रही है? आसमान में ऊपर की ओर. Okay, ऊपर की ओर. But hen कहाँ पे है? नीचे की ओर. नीचे, downwards. Okay, so here today we are going to study up and down. Okay, so name the objects that you see up in the sky. So here what we have to do? We have to name the objects that we see in the sky. Okay, now you tell me which object you see in the sky. क्या आपको स्काई में दिख रहा है उड़ता हुआ? अप इन द स्काई आपको क्या दिख रहा है? टेल मी इन दिस पिक्चर अप इन द स्काई क्या है? यस, काइट. काइट मीन्स पतंग. एंड पतंग कहाँ उड़ती है? स्काई पे. पतंग कहाँ उड़ती है? स्काई पे. ओके, सो हियर द ऑब्जेक्ट that we see up in the sky is kite. Now tell me, how many kites are there up in the sky? There are 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. So there are 2 kites in the sky, up in the sky. Okay. Now come to the next page, page number 19. Here, look at the picture. Circle the animal that is down on the ground. So here what we have to do? We have to circle the animal that is down on the ground. Down means नीचे की ओर. Means कि जो एनिमल नीचे है उस एनिमल को हमें सर्कल करना है. ओके, जो एनिमल डाउनवर्ड है उसे हमें सर्कल करना है. ओके, सो इन फर्स्ट पिक्चर व्हाट यू सी? पहले पिक्चर में आपको क्या दिख रहा है? हियर 1 crow and hen. crow and hen. तो क्रो कहाँ है? पेड़ के ऊपर. पेड़ के ऊपर क्या है? क्रो. पेड़ के ऊपर, अप. क्रो कहाँ है? अप है. एंड हेन कहाँ है? डाउनवर्ड. डाउन है. सो हमें करना क्या है? व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? वी हैव टू सर्कल डाउन. ओके, so we have to circle the animal that is down on the ground. So here, who is down on the ground? Crow or hen? Yes, hen is down on the ground. So here I'm going to circle hen. Okay, now come to the next picture. Oh, see, now tell me the name. Rat. Okay, rat. And there are 2 rats. First one is running upward direction. And the second one is at down. पहला वाला रैट कहाँ पे है? ऊपर है, सीढ़ी से ऊपर जा रहा है. दूसरा वाला रैट कहाँ है? ऑन ग्राउंड. दूसरा वाला कहाँ पे है? ऑन ग्राउंड. सो ये वाला रैट क्या हुआ? डाउन. एंड दिस वन इज अप. So what we have to do? We have to circle this one or this one? Yes, we have to circle down one. So you have to circle this one. Okay. Now come to the third picture. In this picture, there are two cats. There are two cats. One cat is on the one cat is sitting upon the roof and the other one is sitting on downward. Okay, पहली वाली बिल्ली छत के ऊपर बैठी है and दूसरी वाली बिल्ली नीचे बैठी है. Second cat is on the down. Okay, second cat is down on the ground. So what we have to do? We have to circle this one or this one. Yes, we have to circle downward. Okay. So the cat who is sitting down on the ground is this one. So you have to circle this one. Okay. Now come to the next page, page number 20. Here circle the boy who is up on the slide. Do you all love to play with the slide? I know. Now what we have to do in this picture, the boy who is up on the slide, we have to circle that boy. Okay. So here in this picture there are three boys. Okay. Two boys are here and one boy is here. So दो बच्चे कहाँ हैं? दो बच्चे कहाँ हैं? Down, down on the ground. And one child कहाँ पे है? Up. Okay, up on the slide. Up on the slide. So here we have to circle the up one. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to circle this boy like this. Okay. Now circle the monkey that is down on the ground. Now in this picture there are two monkeys. Okay, there are two monkeys. So this monkey is up on the tree and this monkey is down on the ground. So who I am going to circle? Yes, I am going to circle down on the ground monkey. Okay, then here we'll have to circle this monkey. Okay, why I am going to circle this monkey? Because the monkey is down on the ground. Okay, so our this topic is completed. Okay, up and down. Now children, you have to complete your assignment and then submit it into group. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.